those big ghost shrimp. They're pretty big.
Yeah, we're back at it with the big ghost. Look at the claws on those things.
December 23rd, beautiful day out here. Look at this, just like glass. So we're out here with Lewis today.
I'm back at it out here. My last day of this year to be able to fish for sturgeon. After this, we got to get new tags.
So hopefully we do catch something nice, either a sturgeon or a striper. All right, guys, the tide's slowing down, so we're gonna start a hit right now. So we're gonna try to put Lewis on a 47.5.
47.5.
So it could be nice and fat and healthy. Fish on, baby!
Feels like a striper.
Go that way.
Not running hard, so it's fine.
Oh, that's running hard, huh?
I mean, I think it's a striper. See, it's pulling. It's pulling to the line. Oh, did he get away? No, he hasn't got that. Oh, it's big. Sturgeon.
Yeah, that's a big sturgeon. Yeah. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's a sturgeon. Yeah. It really might have like that. Oh, you're alright. He's not going that way. Yeah. Yeah!
Sturgeon of the day. That's a sturgeon. Is that a sturgeon?
Oh, that's a baby. All right. All right, guys, we got 2 sturgeons back to back, but they're not keepers. Oh,
Literally trying to remove the hook out of this one, and his gets hit. So, I guess we're gonna have to take pictures of them together.
yeah.
So we can release these guys. Mine's a 38.
Yeah.
And his is a little smaller.
There you go. Look at this.
Oh.
We
Back
got
to back, guys.
back to back. Baby one.
We'll let these boys go. 38 incher, first one for the year for me. And here he goes. He's off and running.
Let me throw this one away. Boom. All right. That was good. Good job, Lou. Back to back. So far, we only caught those little 2 sturgeons. Today, we're having some hot links, quesadillas, and Louis brought some tamales. They're so good. So
Try to get them warmed up this time.
So we'll have some good lunch today. Then we got my buddy Gary out here fishing with this crew, so they might join us to have some lunch with us. So hopefully we catch a nice keeper. It's about that time, baby. Hot links and some tamales.
It's better when they're warm.
Ready? All right, guys, we got some quesadillas. some hot links and some tamales.
Beautiful.
So you guys can probably get over there and let me see your stripers. Look at that, nice stripers.
Oh yeah. Ooh, man.
Good job, guys.
It's
All good. It's all good fishing.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, brother.
All right, Alex.
Thank you guys.
on, man.
All right, Gary.
You guys are nailing those.
Dude, we're
Good job, guys.
Back to back on the sturgeon over here, but I haven't caught a striper yet.
Yeah. Enjoy the food.
Thank you so much.
And if you guys don't like it, just bring it
Are
back.
you hitting them with lures? Hey, are you hitting them with lures also?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah, the first one I got this morning was on my lure.
Oh yeah, right
Yeah.
on. Hey, it looks like you guys know what you're doing.
Hey, thanks for the tips. Just following you now.
All right, bro.
Hey, go Raiders! Nice beam.
Yeah, guys, I met Gary. He had me make him a Dallas beam for his boat, so I got him a Raiders one. He's kind of happy. So that's how I met Gary, and he decided to come out here and come fishing with us. So he's out here. And like I said, we always bring extra food for whoever wants to come out here and eat and have a good lunch.
Got a bite?
All right, Lou, how is it?
Right now I'm going with the quesadilla and link. I'm waiting for that tamale in a minute. It's good though. Nice and hot this time.
Good. All right, guys, so it's still beautiful out here. We're having lunch right now. Look at this. So, end of the incoming. We should be facing towards the bridge in about 25 minutes. Well, it's all going now. Look how beautiful it is.
Still nice and calm out here. It's beautiful. Just finished turning. We're ready to stick another one. Hopefully it's in the slot.
Nope.
Wah, 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 wah.
Nada. Nada por nada. Well, it's 2:30, outgoing. The water's moving fast right now, so we get a little bit of nibbles, but nothing. Can't catch them, so they're probably little stripers.
They're just teasing us out here.
So we'll probably fish till about 4:30. Hopefully the water slows down a little bit and they get active.
I think you can muscle it in.
I think this baby.
He's not really shaking it out. He just came in to say hi. Baby striper just here to say hi. Yep, hi and bye.
Baby.
Ain't your ghost.
First striper of the day.
Yeah. What's that striper?
Yeah, that's a nice striper.
All right.
Ready?
Bring over this way.
Hold on.
Might be a baby sturgeon, no? Or is it a nice striper?
Move this out of the way.
Okay, there you go. Go on this side. There you go. There you go. Now you got him. Oh, it's a huge. This is a nice one.
Beautiful.
Look at the size of that guy.
At least a 8-pounder.
8-pounder there, man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He bit the wrong hook, that's for sure.
Look at the center.
That is a good little fighter. Here, let me jump out of there. There she is.
Look at this nice striper. At least 7-8 pounds. Beautiful. All right, Lou.
Yeah. Good job. On the barbless, that's a really good job.
All right, guys, that was a 29 incher. So that's a real nice, healthy striper.
Yeah, at least 8 pounds.
For a minute, I thought it was a little baby sturgeon. It was fighting so hard, but ended up being a striper.
8 pounds and an ounce and a half of that ghost shrimp he ate that brought him in.
3:30. We got 1 more hour to fish, but look how beautiful this weather is. We got sunburn today. All right, Lou's on the striper. The keeper?
Oh, sure it is.
Oh, a little bit. It should be there. Pretty close. It's gonna be pretty close. This one.
He gotta quit playing with me. Look, I got him to the top lip and the bottom lip. He can't say a word.
That's a nice one.
Little 19 incher. Nothing as big or exciting as Raul's, but he's a keeper.
All right, guys, we're calling it a day. After all, we had a good time. I caught a little undersized. Lewis caught an undersized sturgeon. We were after the sturgeons today, but no luck for us today. But I did catch a nice 29-inch striper. Lewis caught a 19-inch striper.
19, I mean, it was keeper, but I mean, it's going home.
So yeah, we're calling it a day. It was beautiful out here. I mean, we had a very good time. It was water was beautiful all day long, no wind. We had a good lunch. And
The tamales hit the spot, Veronica. Thank you. They were warm this time.
And you guys got to tomorrow, Sunday midnight, to enter that giveaway. After midnight, it's over. So next weekend, I will announce the 2 lucky winners. Good luck, and thanks for watching. It's All Good Fishing.